to Trojan TV. I'm Jana.
And I'm Michaela.
The 7th annual East Middle School Talent Show is scheduled for March 25th at 7 p.m. The school performance is scheduled for March 26th. Spring break is on its way. The last day of school before spring break is a half day on March 26th. School resumes April 7th. The upcoming NWEA and MSTEP tests require all students to have a completely charged netbook. There will not be enough for everyone to check out. Now, let's go to Sophie and Julia with a story about the MSTEP test.
This spring, Michigan is introducing a new test to the TCAPS district instead of the MEP, the MSTEP.
Subjects will be math and language arts for everybody. Language arts will include both reading and writing. And then the math portion will have some parts where you can use an on-screen calculator and then other parts that you can't. And then if you are a 7th grader, you will also take a science test, which will be 2 50-minute multiple choice tests on the computer. If you're an 8th grader, you'll take a social studies test that will take that same amount of time.
Not all staff support the MSTEP. It can last up to 9.5 hours, and teachers are concerned about losing learning time.
My concern about it is how long it's going to be. I think there's going to have to be some adjustments. This is the very first year they're trying it, so I'm hoping that they adjust the time frame, because I think testing students for 13 and a half hours, which is what 7th grade will experience, because we're not getting rid of NWEA, although that was a TCAPS district decision to do NWEA on top of MSTEP. That's an awful lot of testing in a short window of time.
We have been told that it is going to take longer. I don't know if it's because the test takes longer or because it's new and the whole procedure will take longer. So time will tell.
Some students worry about testing fully on the computer. Many prefer tests on pencil and paper.
It depends. I like it on the computer because then you don't have to worry about bringing a pencil to class.
I prefer paper because, I don't know, it's just easier and it's kind of like my own thing rather than like how somebody else set it up.
On the other hand, the MSTEP has a lot of helpful features like the calculator and the highlighter. You can make graphs, figure out problems using visual solutions, and typing out the equations. The testing window starts this April and ends June. Remember to bring a fully charged computer. This has been Julie and Sophie reporting for Trojan TV.
Attention 8th graders. In April and May, Central High School ambassadors will be visiting East to meet with you in various locations about high school electives. For more information, talk to your wing office. Just a reminder, students, please do not bring your laptops into the lunchroom or leave them in the lost and found. Put them in your locker. If you are interested in running track, you must sign up by March 30th, or the price will increase. The season starts the first day after spring break. You can sign up on the LEAP website. The Mathcounts team took 2nd place. 2 members are going to the state finals this weekend at GM Convention Center in Warren, Michigan. Good luck to Ted Rowe and Dan Curtis. Now let's go to Olivia with a story about distracted walking.
Well, that's it for this edition of Trojan TV. Tune in again next week for another great episode.
Remember, you can watch recent and previous episodes on the East Middle School website or on our Trojan TV YouTube channel.
See you next week.